Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can add video to your LinkedIn profile in a couple of different places, but really to amplify your message online on LinkedIn. So without further ado, let's go to your LinkedIn profile. So if we click on the Me button and we click on View Profile, scroll down until you hit your featured section. Okay, so this is the first place we're going to add in some video content. So you can either add in links to external video sites like YouTube or Vimeo, or you can add in other video directly from LinkedIn. You cannot upload LinkedIn videos directly to the LinkedIn featured section, but there is a workaround for you to do this. So if we click on the little pen icon, you'll see let's just remove this for now. This is a video link that I have from YouTube. So if we click on edit, you will see it pulls across the YouTube thumbnail. You add the title and then you add your description. So we'll just click save. If we wanted to add another video in there, we just click plus and we would click on links, show links to web content. So this is where you can upload photos, documents and presentations, but you cannot upload video directly. But if you want to add external links, you literally paste in your YouTube link in here, okay? And the other way you can do it is by adding in a video that you have uploaded as a post to your LinkedIn newsfeed. So if we click on here, we can then go back through our recent posts and we can find one that is a video. So this one here, I know is a video, and if I click on this feature, it will add it into my featured section here. Now, if you then, because that was actually a time sensitive video, so I want to remove that. So I'll come in here and I will just remove from featured and click done. But the other way to do it is if you go to your posts and activity on LinkedIn and you find your posts and you scroll down until you find your video post. So where's my video post? There we are, this is it here. So I can then go and click on the three little buttons here and I could have it as a feature. Now it hasn't updated for me adding them before, but here's a live video and I could go in here and click on this and click on feature on top of profile, and that would add that to my featured section in my profile. All right, so let's click on the Me button, go to profile, and we'll scroll down and I'll show you the second place you can add your video on your LinkedIn profile. So just scroll down here and it's in here in your experience section. So again, you can't upload video directly to this section, but you can add in links to video. So if we click on the little pen icon, scroll down the video section, and then you can add in a link here to your video file, and that result in something like this over here. Okay, you cannot upload a video because you can only upload PDFs, presentations, photographs, but not video media files. Okay, so that's another place you can add video to your LinkedIn section or your LinkedIn profile. So in the featured section and in the experience section. So good luck, and if you have any questions about that, then reach out and ask me. I'd be delighted to help you. And this is part of an article that I wrote for Social Media Examiner all about how you can use video on LinkedIn. So the first section is all about putting in your profile, and the second part is all about the different types of video you can share on LinkedIn that can really show your thought leadership and help your network. If you'd like to know more, then please reach out and get in touch.